you going? Over an Australian-made, Australian-owned product for night fishing. I've called it C.it. It's a universal strap, easily secured to a fishing rod, which houses a simple LED torch to then illuminate up through our rod. It's quite a simple application to a secure C.it. Behind our reel, we simply bring it around under, using our fastening locking system onto C.it, slightly tighter. There we have it. With our 9 LED torch, which we simply clip straight into our C.it, and you can see it illuminating up through the eyelets of our rod. So for night fishing, it's actually quite a nice thing to be able to sit back, stand back, watch what your rod and line's doing from a distance and enjoy the night. So we'll throw it out and just see what happens. As you can see, the line's out, and you can see the torch illuminating up through the eyelets, which if you're 20-30 meters away, you can quite easily see what it's doing. So from here, we put our rod back into our beach holder. Whoops. Wherever our beach holder is, there it is. There we go. I like it. It works pretty good. See you.